I'm Jeannie Jacobs. I want to welcome you to my table where life's best moments happen. If you like this video, do me a favor, please like it, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me on all my social media channels as well. So what we're gonna do is just a basic fish fry, nothing too fancy. We're gonna fry some red snapper and some catfish. And what I do, pretty much, I get my fish fillets, I season them with salt and pepper, nothing too fancy. I will soak them in some buttermilk, because you know the buttermilk allegedly helps with the odor, the fishy odor. And then I dredged the fish through cornmeal, and we fry it, and we have good old fried fish. And of course, homemade tartar sauce. That's a mandatory thing. All right, to test the grease, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to take some cornmeal, drop it in the grease. See what it does? See the sizzly, fizzly thing going on? That means that the grease is just right for frying the fish. I can make a little tartar sauce. A little bit of lemon juice, sugar, dill, onion powder, and the humidity has gotten to my onion powder. And we want some sweet relish. A little salt. A little pepper, and you have homemade tartar sauce.